What the hell are you doing here, Squilliam?
What's he saying? Speak English, boy.
I think he's speaking in Morse code.
Figures always trying to show off his fancy education.
Oh no, he's been infected by that damn purge microphone.
Infected? Is it contagious?
No, but it makes you talk like a pretentious show.
So what brings you to the Krusty Krab today, Squilliam?
He wants to brag about how funny he is.
Oh boy, can't wait for this riveting conversation.
So tell us then, what makes you so funny?
It's not even a joke. You're just spelling a who in Morse code.
Maybe we should just play along and humor him until the infection wears off.
Oh, that's hilarious. You should stand up.
Yeah, I'm sure the audience will love your Morse code routine.
Oh, looks like he's getting angry.
Quick, someone get somewhere before he starts speaking in military code.
This is too good. We should have infected him with that microphone a long time ago, Squilliam.
All right. Calm down, Squilliam. We get it. You're funny. Now go find someone else to annoy with your pretentiousness.
What did he say?
He said I hate you all.
Well then, mission accomplished.